Hello, in this video, I'd like to show you how you can use Shopify to set up your e-commerce site. I've been having the desire to sell on Shopify, to sell your product on Shopify. This is how you can set up your store on Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce site where you can list your product and sell. It is not free, but there are some free benefits you can still get from it.
Maybe you don't have money to set up a website. This is an alternative for you to own an online store where people can order your products all over the world and you deliver it to them. We have other platforms to Shopify to set up your online store. So as it is now, I'm in already. So this is my store. Okay, I'm about to create my store. Create store. I've clicked on create store. I've created a store, so it's getting ready. So where would you like to sell? You choose from many of the options. So as for me, I chose an online store where I can customize and make my changes myself, add and remove whatever I like. What best describe you? Have you been selling before, or you just want to start selling your product? So I'm already selling online or in person. The size of your business, you can choose any of these three depending on the size of your business. Do you have platform? Have you been selling on the listed platform before? I chose no. So what type of product are you planning to sell? So you check and see the one that suits you. So I choose product I buy or make myself. So products I buy, and I'm going to be listing them on Shopify. So you have to choose either of these options to get full access. Else you just have a minimum opportunity on Shopify. You can just choose one of these plans to unlock higher benefits for your store to function very well. So, but since it's just for teaching, so I didn't choose any of the plan. So these are the things you have to do for your site to get ready. 7 tasks to be completed. So now I want to add product to my store. That's the first thing. Add product. What do you want to sell? This is where you add it, and you come and do other tasks that you have to do for your store to be fully ready. So now let's add product to the store. Even though I don't have any product to add, so I'll just choose any picture on my phone to show you how you can add your product and get your store ready to be selling on Shopify. So it's getting ready to add products. This is the page where you add your product. You add your title, your description, your media, the picture of the product you want to sell. So these are the things that you have to do. So the title of the what's the name of the product you want to sell. So I'll just choose a beautiful vintage crochet handbag, because that's what came to my mind at that time. So I want to start selling handbag on my online store. So after adding your title, you move on to your description. Your description has to be well detailed. Everything about the product you want to sell, so that it will be easy to locate your product online. Write full description, not just few lines of words, but full description about everything you want to list, description of your product. So I'm just trying to come up with something to fill in this space. But you must have gotten everything ready, listed on a paper or on your notes for a proper arrangement on this page, because this is the major space where you have to pass out your information about your product for people to know the real thing you are selling. So here is where you add the picture of the product you want to sell. I just had to choose a picture just to fill in the space, but you must have had the pictures, clear and clean picture of the product you want to list. So let's just put any picture here for, for learning purpose. So let's say this is a picture of our handbag that we want to list. So the category is handbag. You put the price of your product, the product that you want to sell. So let's say the bag is 55,000 naira, and the next space is compare at price. Maybe you want to do sales or promo. That's the space. So you fill in all the required details, your location and your preferences. Does it have SKU or barcode? So you can click the option if you have it. And the weight, you must put the weight. It's very important for you to put the weight of the product you want to sell, because the description is what will enable the buyer to know what they want to buy, so as not to buy the wrong product and there will be complaint that the bag is small, it's too big. So you have to put the full description of your product to pass out the right information for your customers. So there won't be any reason for them to return the product or for you to be doing a refund unnecessarily. So this page is very, very important when you are listing your product online. So you put the color and everything. So the tags, everything you have to do, just make sure you do it. So are you selling internationally or in Nigeria? Everything is there for you to just do it. They have made things easy. So you save. That means you have created a product. If you have 50 products, you follow that process and you list everything online. You list everything. You list all your products. So product created, as you can see. So, so as you can see, it's a simple process that anybody can do, and it is not complex. So go to your menu and set up everything on the menu as you are supposed to do it. And you add the custom domain. Do you want to add a custom domain? Maybe you have a website before. So you just follow all these listed bullets and your store will be ready. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you is how you can like customize your theme. The theme is maybe like it's like a template of how your website will look like. So you choose from the theme your preferred theme. This is the default one. Done. The current theme. You can customize, or you just scroll down to choose any other one that you think you can use. As you can see, this is a very suitable one for a bag seller. You can see, and maybe somebody that is selling face cap, t-shirts, can see it. And as it is, you can see the one for beauty products or skincare products. So Everything is there for you to just make changes as you want. And one important thing is you have to like, as you can see, they said your online store is password protected. So as it is password protected, you have to like make some payment, choose a payment plan for everything to be unlocked for you. So Shopify is just very easy to customize, and once you are done with the customization, you will really love the view of your online store. So if you have the desire to own a store on Shopify, you can just go for it. It's a very easy and simple platform where you can just list your products and have your own online store for people to order and buy from you, and you deliver your product to them wherever they are all over the world. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share to others so that others will benefit, and it will give us the inspiration to create more videos that will benefit you. Thank you for watching. Bye.